everyone, Anke here with a new layout inspiration and process video for Hip Kit Club featuring the February Hip Kits. Today I create a layout focusing on the Simple Stories Happy Hearts chipboard stickers, which are included in the February main kit, and I'll also use some exclusive metal dies. First, I cut off a piece of the Hip Kit Club exclusive Love Always I Heart You paper for my layout background. Then I pick out one of the envelopes and a tag from the Pinkfresh Studio Happy Heart Journaling Bits pack, which is included in the February Pocket Life kit. I place my photos on the envelope and tuck the tag behind the photos. Then I add some of the Simple Stories chipboard stickers. My favorites are the cute car and the heart sunglasses. I glue the background paper on my page, and before adhering tag, photos and envelope, I add a piece of green thread. I adhere some of the chipboard pieces with foam pads to add dimension. I was also asked to incorporate metal dies, so I chose some of the leaf dies from the October Metal Dies kit and cut out some leaves from the Hip Kit Club exclusive Love Always Sweet Thing paper. arranged the leaves in 2 clusters on my layout, combined with some of the Pinkfish Studio Happy Heart floral ephemera, which you can find in the February embellishment kit. Once I have found the perfect arrangement, I adhere everything. For the title, I chose one of the acetate phrases from the February main kit. I want to add some hand-stitched elements to my layout, so I pierce holes first and then start stitching. Add 2 butterflies, which I fussy cut from the Pinkfish Studio Happy Heart Beautiful Moment paper. Finally, I add a word die cut from the Pinkfish Studio Happy Heart Mixed Ephemera pack, which is included in the February main kit. Some of the Prima Marketing Sade & Crystal's Peach Tea, opaque gems, which you can find in the February Pocket Life kit, and 2 small chipboard hearts. Now my layout is finished. I hope you like it and feel inspired to get out your kits and create a beautiful project. Thanks so much for joining me today.